Rakos serves as a cryptek of the Subakar dynasty within the Jericho Reach. A member of the royal court of his dynasty, it is unclear to outsiders wherein crypteks of Rakos' station stand within the hierarchy of Subakar, but what is known is that only Ozcan the Codifier is above the station of Rakos among his cryptek brethren. Titled as the Court Chronomancer, Rakos' duties include the historical archiving of his dynasty's past glories, present deeds, and future ambitions. Feared for his prowess as a master of arcane arts granted by the star gods of old, the Catan, Rakos is known among the wider Infinite Empire as the Harbinger of Eternity for possessing power beyond the comprehension of even the Overlord Regent of the Hollow Sun. Able to manipulate energies from vast engines of unknown providence within the bowels of the Hollow Sun, Rakos manipulates the space-time continuum at will, and is believed to be capable of physically traversing the galaxy at a moment's notice. Observing the past and future events of the cosmos, the Court Chronomancer utilizes astrology and prognostication techniques to divine the future of his dynasty to better their influence and interests. Espousing to have prevented the galaxy from total annihilation by virtue of his deeds made to preserve it, whether any truth can be attributed to such a bold proclamation is not my place to say. Yet what I can divulge is that regardless of his many deeds, Rakos' power to change the fates of existence are not as all-encompassing as he asserts, for the meddling of other chronomancers of a similar vocation throughout the stars foil his best-laid plans. Keeping such concerns of interlopers to his influence a secret from his dynasty, such an admission of his lack of omniscient powers would certainly erode his influence over Subakar. Ever paranoid of the hidden force meddling in his affairs, it is his belief that the being he attributes as the Stranger will sunder the entire galaxy if not rooted out and defeated. The dead cell of the Death Watch continues to monitor the actions of Rakos, yet their confrontation seems likely to not be in league with the Stranger. For only time will tell if such a calamitous event will erupt within the Jericho Reach.